iPhone exports from India have reached a record 10,000 crore rupees in May 2023, as per a report by the Economic Times. In just April and May this year, the export of smartphones from India surpassed a whopping 20,000 crore rupees, which is more than twice compared to the same period last year, as per the India Cellular and Electronics Association. Apple's shift in manufacturing from China due to geopolitical tensions and labor protests at a Chinese iPhone factory last year has made India a promising destination for iPhone manufacturing. A few months ago, a Bloomberg report had revealed that iPhone production in India was ramped up to 7% in the last fiscal year, from just 1% in the year 2021. Just a few days ago, a Bank of America report stated that Apple may produce 18% of the iPhones in India by the fiscal year 2025. In April this year, Apple launched its first retail stores in India, one in Mumbai and the other in Delhi. India's rise in iPhone manufacturing and exports could encourage other brands to look at India as a favorable manufacturing hub too. That's all we have in this video. Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.